Hey guys, zpolt here and I'm back for another video, and today is another 8-core cable video. This time it's the Yinyoo 8-core but in black version, so I reviewed the brown version. So let's go with the unboxing first. As I mentioned in my video, in my 8-core video for the Yinyoo, it is I would say the best 8-core for around $10. That's my favorite. And I mentioned that I didn't like the color there, but now this time it's the black color. It's the one that I like. So is there a difference? Of course, do I like it better than the brown cable? Let's see. So in the box you have warranty card, best quality, best price, best service. Let's put this aside, and you have the cable right away. And of course the box doesn't have any much into it. Okay, so in terms of box, it is the similar box that you get with the brown cable. And okay, right off the bat, I do like the shade of the black here. This is the Black Mamba kind of look. Okay, so let's look at the build. So yeah, right off the bat, the feel is similar to what you get with the 8-core cable. The cable here is really soft, which is something that I praised in the previous 8-core video. So let's go with the build again. Let's have a walkthrough. So here in the plug part, you have a straight plug, and you have some little reinforcement here. So again, I wish it was an L plug. Hopefully they have an L plug version of this. It will be really awesome. And of course you have 8 cores right here, and I would say that the braid is pretty good. It's a bit tight here. Of course, again, the cable is a bit soft, as you can see that it's really pliable here. Okay, here and the fork part, and as you can see, guys, I do like also that it's like really all black. Everything is black, which is something I like. You have the Yinyoo branding in the fork part, and you also have the organizer here. And as you can see, guys, everything is just black, which is something I like. And here in the earhook part, it does have a preformed earhooks, which is nice. And again, I do like the preformed earhooks here, that it is not so stiff, so this will be comfortable to wear for a long period of time. And you have a 2-pin connector here at the top. So overall, in terms of build, again, I'm pretty impressed with this Yinyoo. I do like it. It's soft in feel. And it is, I would say, upscale compared to your TRN or KZ counterparts. And you know, with this black version, this will definitely be a looker for me. This might be my daily driver. So let's compare this quickly with the other 8-core. So this is the brown 8-core cable that you get again with the Yinyoos. And yeah, build wise, they're pretty similar here. The same in terms of build. But as you can see here, and the brown, you have of course the brown cable mainly, but the other parts are the same. So you have black trims here, and you also have a black plug. Okay, so everything is mostly the same, and the texture as well, but you have again just black cable right here. Just something I like. So let's do an initial test and how it looks like with my KZ ZS10 Pro. So I don't have any issues with it, other than the fact, of course, that this kind of connector is not the updated KZ connector. So the connector of KZ definitely is a lot more stable compared to this one. But this is still stable, but definitely the new connector of KZ is a lot more stable. But let's put this in. So that is how it looks like, guys. I do like everything black. I'm really a fan of that. Let's put this in. And as you can see, guys, here, so the usual new KZ connector, it kind of closes this part, so you won't have a gap between the IEM itself and the connector. So here you have a small gap here. It is still quite sturdy, as you can see. It won't fall off, of course, unless you pull it. But this is still really sturdy for me. So this is how it looks like, as you can see. There we go. So that is actually the black version looks even thinner compared to the 8-core, the brown version, because yeah, the color is more understated. This is a lot more subtle in a way. So this doesn't actually look like an 8-core when you view it from afar. This is a lot more understated, which is something I like. So when we compare it with the J Cali, look at how thick the J Cali is. It will be up to you if you like that or not, but definitely I do like the understated kind of look here. This is an 8 core, but it's not thick, so it will be easier to put it in your bag, but it still feels substantial. It doesn't feel cheap at all. It's something I like. So yeah, compared to the J Cali, it is definitely thinner here, but I do still like the 8 core, the Yinyoo 8 core, because it is softer in terms of feel. But yeah, it will be up to you if you like, you know, the thicker J Cali over the more soft Yinyoo. It will be up to you. I would say both are still good for me. I still like them both. As you can see, guys, I am using the AS10 for the J Cali compared to the TRN 8 core. As you can see, guys, definitely the TRN 8 core is thicker again compared to the Yinyoo. It's like 2 times thicker here, and the Yinyoo 8 core again is a lot thinner here. It will be again up to you if you like that or not, but I do like the 8 core more because it's softer. It's easier to put in your bag. Okay, so that is my small comparison of the TRNs, and I also compared quickly as well with the Yinyoo 6 core, which is something I also like. So the Yinyoo 6 core is a little bit thinner here, but again, you have that kind of soft cable. Look at how soft that is. That is the main selling point of Yinyoo stuff. So here you have also a thick cable, the braiding. I do like the braiding again of the Yinyoo. It's more tight in terms of the braiding compared to the Yinyoo 6 core. Yeah, but I do like still the color of the Yinyoo 8 core here with the black version. So again, my favorite Yinyoo 8 core cable is now even better with the black color. I do like this. Will be my daily driver from now on for my KZ-S10 Pro. This is currently my daily driver now. Daily driver IEM, the ZS10 Pro. And I will use this Yinyoo 8 core for that. Look at how good the understated design is. I like the pairing here. So yeah, that is my review of the Yinyoo 8 core in black version, the Black Mamba version. Of course, use my links below from Amazon if you want to get this. Yinyoo sent me this over for this review. Of course, big thanks to them. This will be again in the black version in the links below. So of course, if you learned something, leave a like, and of course subscribe for more content like this in the future. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.